Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I am going to be doing a cleaning of the whole house. This is going to be part one. I will be cleaning my porch, living area, and kitchen. So if you watched my previous video, I cleaned the dining room and I did a decorate with me for Ramadan. I try to clean this porch often because my children play on this porch, and this is also where you first come into the home. So what I'm going to do is sweep, get all the excess dirt that came off from any of my plants that I've been repotting. I'm also going to mop and sanitize the floor and wipe down the toy box. What I'm using is a Swiffer mop with the wood cleaner inside of it. And I really like how this cleans my floor and keep the shine. I am now using this Black & Decker cordless vacuum, which I am not really a fan of. I just use it because that's what I have right now. But hopefully I will be looking into getting a different type of cordless vac. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. So next I am going to clean out my daughter's play area. Basically, I'm kind of getting rid of some toys that she does not play with, some toys that are broken, some toys that actually need to go upstairs. I'm also going to wipe down her kitchen set with a antibacterial disinfectant wipe. Next, I am tackling my living room area. So this is the place where we spend most of our time. And this is the place that gets junky the quickest, the fastest, and all the time. So basically we just really love our living room. We watch TV. We sometimes use those white tables to eat our food in here. It's just a place for me and the family to get together and hang out. In this video, you will not see the dining area being cleaned out because I did another video where I did a light cleaning to the dining room and I decorated again for Ramadan. So I will put the link in the subscription box below so you can click on that if you wanted to see how we decorated the home for Ramadan and how I did a light cleaning to that room. So we are now in the kitchen. I hate doing dishes. I think all my children hate doing dishes, but unfortunately we do not have a dishwasher yet, so we have to do the dishes. Anyway, so what I'm doing now is gonna just empty out the basin, wash it out, put some fresh warm hot water in there with some soap, and we're gonna go ahead and bust these suds. Do you guys have a system of how you wash dishes? Meaning, do you put the cups in, silverware, plates, bowls? Is that still a thing? Because I remember learning how to wash dishes. That's how my mother taught it to me. So that's what I am teaching my children, and that's what I do here. So I'll start off with the cups, then the silverware sit, and then I'll do all the plates and bowls, and then any glass or anything that has like a sticky residue, I will do that at the end. So what I'm doing is scrubbing them really clean with some hot soapy water, and then I'm putting them off to the side of the basin, and then I'm going to rinse them all off. That's just an easy system of how we do things in our home. So what I'm using is this cooktop cleaner, which I really love. Anytime that there's like burnt marks or something sticky on here, what I'll do is I'll put that on, and I'm scrubbing with a stainless steel pad to really get in. I see people use razors, but I haven't gotten to that point yet if that's what I want to use. But this what works for me at this point. So I'm going ahead and drying all of the dishes. I normally would let them dry on the dish drain, but I want to get this done and over with. So I'm just going to go ahead and dry all the dishes, and then I am going to clean and disinfect all of the cabinet doors. Now, if you notice, we don't have any knobs or pulls on the doors. That's because I bought them and I never got them installed. Now, I was thinking I can do it myself, but I looked at a few YouTube tutorials and it just kind of scared me, because I have to drill a hole in the cabinet doors in the drawers, and I'm just a little afraid that I'm going to make a mistake and mess it all up. So I'm wondering if I should just get a professional to do it, or should I just chalk it up and try to do it myself? What do you guys? Please leave a comment down below if you think that's something that I may be able to handle, is insert these pulls and knobs. So what I'm doing right here is just putting on another Swiffer pad to clean the kitchen floors, and I also removed the wood cleaner and put in a more of a disinfect type cleaner with a little bit of Febreze smell. So I'm just going to go in on the floor and get this all done. Again, if you watched to the end of my video, thank you so much. Why don't you go ahead and check out our Instagram? We have a lot of fun over there. And why don't you go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this, more family fun, and also see what we get up to during this Ramadan quarantine in the home. Why don't you guys have a great day, and thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.